Okay, you guys, so this portion of the video is sponsored by Goodpick. So Goodpick makes hand woven rope baskets. So they come in a large selection, large varieties, and all of their baskets are made with 100% cotton. I love Goodpick's baskets because I just love the natural aesthetic of it. I love the shape. I love the different colors that it comes in. I just love how it looks in my home. So they sent me out their large hand woven rope basket here. This one is in tan and white. They also have other colors as well. So this is the large size. You can actually use laundry baskets or baskets for a large variety of things. I have shared with you all several baskets from this company, and they all are wonderful. They're very affordable, and they just look really nice. So I love to use them in my home for various things. So this is an empty basket here, and like I said, you can use it to store a large variety of things. So I'm going to use it to store some laundry in here. You can also use it to store your throw blankets like I'm doing, but I'm going to be placing this basket in my living room next to my entryway because I have several throw blankets, as you guys can see. So I'm going to be using it to store all of my extra throw blankets, and then also to display a few Christmas pillows that I have for this holiday season. I love these baskets because they're very affordable. Like I said, they come in a large selection. I just love the natural aesthetics of using a hand woven cotton rope basket instead of using a regular basket. It looks really nice in your home. As you can see here, it can hold a lot. So I have this basket here stored with two large pillows. I also have two rolled up throw blankets in it as well, and it can hold a great deal. And like I said, you can also use it for laundry as well. It does hold a lot of laundry. So I will have Goodpick's information linked down in the description box below. Don't forget to use my special discount code to save a percentage off your order. And thank you to Goodpick for sponsoring today's video. So this basket, like I said, I'm going to be using to store these pillows. I got these pillows that's in here from Home Goods. So I wasn't sure if I was going to use them on my furniture or not. So I just got them actually stored here in this basket here. And then I also have my extra throw blankets as well. So I'm going to be adding this to my entryway. That way I have them readily accessible if I need them. So before I begin dressing my table for Thanksgiving and Christmas, I'm just taking my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray and giving everything a good wipe down before I actually start putting all my decor on it. My table is from Wayfair, and then my dining room chairs I did get from Home Goods, but they are a dupe for the ones that you would see at our house. So yeah. But to start, we're going to add in my centerpiece. I did add in these floral arrangements that I created. They're just some hydrangeas and some greenery. And then for my placemats, I found these really beautiful beaded gold placemats at Home Goods. They're gold. I like them because they're more of an antique gold, so it matches the theme that I got going on this Christmas in my living room and dining room area. Next, I'm going to add in these plates. I used these same plates last year. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They just have a really pretty picture of an evergreen Christmas tree on them, and then they're white. So I really love them. So I thought that they will fit perfectly into this Christmas decor color scheme as well for this year. So the setup that you see here is how I actually had my dining room table style for Thanksgiving, and then I'll show you it later on in a clip of how I have it now looking after Thanksgiving. So next I'm going to add in these beautiful napkins. I found these at Home Goods. They're like a linen material, and they have these beautiful gold detail on it, or detail pattern on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to be using any napkin rings for this place set. I'm just going to take my napkins and fold them. Then I'm going to place them around the place and have them drape a little bit. Next, I'm going to add in the salad plates. I had these for a while. I purchased these from Home Goods as well a few years ago, but they're just like a clear material or that kind of melamine type of style, but it's real glass and it has like a gold rim around it. Very simple and classic, so I'm going to add that to the plate setting. And then I'm also going to go in and add in the matching bowl as well. Now I also found these beautiful Christmas tree little tea light candles from Home Goods as well. They came in a pack of 4. I think they were like $4.99 for the set. So I purchased like 2 sets. I'm just going to add these to each place set. Now I won't be burning these tea lights, but I do like the aesthetics of them and how they look. I thought they were add a really nice touch of the holidays to the tablescape. Now for this tablescape, I'm not going to be adding my silverware out until the very end, until we actually get ready to eat. So you won't see me add any silverware to this tablescape. But next I'm going to add in my drinkware. And then I'm going to add in these candlesticks. I got these from Kirkland's, and then the taper candles I got from Home Goods last year. So I absolutely love how this tablescape has turned out, but I'm going to show you how I have it now after the holidays or after Thanksgiving is over. It's a little bit more simplistic, and then those flowers that I had before were real flowers, so they begin to die off. So this is how I have it set up now. So I did go ahead and add in these frosted Christmas trees. These are the same ones I have in my entryway. I just added them in these beautiful hurricanes that I got from the at-home store. I moved my reindeer over here to the table because I thought they would look a lot better over here, and then I just left my 3 different size frosted trees in the entryway. So this is how everything has turned out, you guys. If you are enjoying this video, please give my video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel a lot. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. And to all of my beautiful subscribers, thank y'all so much for watching all of my Christmas decor content. I really appreciate all y'all love and support on all of my videos. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air that every child